Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a breakfast idea using activated charcoal. I'm going to start off with 3 ounces of rolled oats in my blender cup here. And you could adjust this is just a meal prep idea. Now I'm going to add a quarter of a large banana, a quarter teaspoon each of activated charcoal and cinnamon, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a cup of water, and I'm going to give that a blend. And after you blend that, your batter is ready. I'm going to add my batter to a pre-coconut oil sprayed pan which has been heated. I'm adding 3 tablespoons at a time. You can add more or less. And I'm cooking 2 minutes per side. This one was plain, and now this one I'm going to add some goji berries. This is totally optional. You can add whatever you like or not add whatever you don't like. It's just an idea. This is what I wanted to eat, and here I'm making some black chai spiced tea for myself. Now I'm gonna move on to make some egg whites. I'm gonna add some black pepper. You're gonna season to your own personal taste. I'm gonna also add some diced red onion and tomato. And now again, I'm gonna heat my pan and spray it with some coconut oil spray, and then add my egg white mixture. Give it a scramble, and there's my egg whites. Now I'm gonna top my pancakes with some fresh fruit. Again, it's your own personal choice. I have some kiwi, so I'm gonna add some kiwi slices, and I'm gonna add some goji berries and some hemp hearts, and that's it. Enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and talk to you guys next video. Bye.